The benefits and challenges of remote work. Remote work, once a niche practice, has become mainstream, especially following the global COVID-19 pandemic. This shift has brought numerous benefits but also presents notable challenges. Benefits: flexibility and work-life balance. Remote work allows employees to design their schedules, leading to improved work-life balance. This flexibility can reduce stress and increase job satisfaction, as employees can better manage personal responsibilities alongside their professional duties. Increased productivity. Many studies suggest that remote work can boost productivity. Without the distractions of a traditional office, such as impromptu meetings and social interruptions, employees often find they can concentrate better and complete tasks more efficiently. Cost savings. Both employers and employees can save money through remote work. Employers can reduce overhead costs associated with maintaining office space, while employees save on commuting, work attire, and meals. Access to a global talent pool. Companies are no longer restricted to hiring talent within a specific geographic location. This expands the potential for finding highly skilled workers from around the world, promoting diversity and inclusion within the workforce. Challenges: communication and collaboration. Despite advancements in technology, remote work can hinder spontaneous communication and collaborative efforts. Misunderstandings may arise more easily, and the lack of face-to-face interaction can sometimes lead to feelings of isolation among team members. Technology dependence. Reliable internet and access to proper technology are critical for remote work. Technical issues can disrupt productivity, and not all employees may have access to the necessary resources or a conducive work environment at home. Maintaining company culture. Building and maintaining a strong company culture is more challenging when employees are dispersed. Regular virtual meetings and team-building activities can help, but they may not fully replicate the camaraderie of an in-person office setting. Work-life boundaries. While flexibility is a benefit, it can also blur the lines between work and personal life. Some remote workers struggle to switch off and may find themselves working longer hours, leading to burnout. In conclusion, remote work offers significant advantages such as flexibility, productivity gains, and cost savings. However, it also brings challenges, particularly in communication, technology dependence, and maintaining work-life boundaries. Addressing these challenges requires proactive strategies from both employers and employees to ensure a balanced and effective remote work environment.